and welcome, I'm your CodeMonkey, and tomorrow I'm putting out something very special. I'm putting out a free version of my problem solving course. Like it says, this is the course teaching you the most valuable skill of all. It's the one skill that is required for basically anything you want to build, any game, any system, anything. It's also the skill that basically every engineer on top company is required to have. I published the premium version of the course a few months ago, but like I always say on this channel, I'm a big fan of free education. I want to make sure that people who were just like myself back when I was 10 years old, when I had literally no money, I want to make sure that kid nowadays does have access to high quality education. That is why I make tons of free tutorials, and I've already got a ton of free courses. It is something very important to me, and it is definitely something that I want to continue doing. So tomorrow I'll be publishing a free video containing a pretty nice amount of this course. The free video is going to contain about 20% of the whole course, and then if you like it, and if you want the whole thing with all of the extra bonuses and all of the extra problems, if so, you can go ahead and pick up the full version with a link in the description. But yep, just a quick notice, stay tuned for tomorrow. It's going to be a really nice free video. Like I said, I really believe this is one of the most valuable skills you can get. It is something that I've been wanting to teach for the past, pretty much since I started this channel. And now with this, with a very practical course with a lot of practical problems, now I think I finally have the answer to teach you this skill. So yep, stay tuned for the video coming out tomorrow. And if you want to help me, go ahead, just watch the video right away, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's a tiny thing, but it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so I hope you'll enjoy learning this super awesome skill. Stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you tomorrow.